Step into the future of military technology with the Patria NEMO, a compact, remote-controlled 120mm mortar system that's rewriting the rules of modern warfare. More than just a tool for indirect fire support, the NEMO boasts a direct fire capability for unparalleled self-defense. Picture this: multiple rounds launched simultaneously, up to 6 grenades hitting the target with surgical precision. With its robust turret and armored chassis, the NEMO ensures the safety of its crew amidst diverse threats on the battlefield. Versatile and adaptable, it seamlessly integrates onto various platforms, from light-track chassis to naval vessels. As part of Patria's cutting-edge arsenal, including the world's most advanced diver propulsion vehicles, the NEMO sets new standards for mortar mobility, protection, and firepower both on land and at sea. Hunter 2S swarming drones, brought to you by Alone, a subsidiary of the Emirati Edge Group, one of the top 25 defense contractors globally. In a world where drones have become indispensable in modern military operations, the Hunter 2S stands out with its AI-powered capabilities. These drones are not just tools, they're strategic assets reshaping the battlefield. With their remarkable success in recent conflicts, drones have proven their ability to achieve rapid progress and victory over adversaries. Now, Alone's Hunter 2S takes this to the next level, offering advanced tactical advantages across a range of combat scenarios. From reconnaissance to precision strikes, these swarming drones are poised to revolutionize the way armies operate. Get ready for a glimpse into the future of warfare. Introducing the Rafael Spike Firefly, a cutting-edge miniature tactical loitering weapon that's set to revolutionize urban combat. Weighing just 3 kilograms, the Firefly is tailor-made for light maneuvering ground forces like infantry, marines, or special forces. Designed to thrive in scenarios where situation awareness is limited and precision is paramount, this precision-guided missile eliminates the enemy's advantage of cover, reshaping the dynamics of urban warfare. Equipped with advanced features such as dual seeker target tracking, homing algorithms, computer vision, and a human-machine interface, the Firefly ensures swift and precise engagement with hostile forces. Get ready to witness the future of urban combat with the game-changing capabilities of the Spike Firefly. The Thunder B-VTOL can effortlessly transition between hovering and forward flight, making it ideal for navigating urban environments and reaching remote locations with unprecedented ease. Whether it's facilitating rapid transportation for emergency responders, delivering essential goods to inaccessible areas, or revolutionizing commuter travel, the Thunder B-VTOL is poised to transform the way we move through the skies. Prepare for a paradigm shift in modern warfare with the Naval Spike NLOS 6th-generation missile, crafted by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. This precision-guided EO missile, an integral member of the globally deployed Spike ATGM family, is rewriting the rules of engagement on the battlefield. With its groundbreaking capabilities, the Naval Spike NLOS swiftly closes the sensor-to-shooter loop, efficiently neutralizing multiple targets at standoff ranges. Capable of launching and controlling salvos of up to 4 missiles simultaneously from a single launcher, it offers unparalleled versatility. Moreover, its innovative target acquisition system transfers aerial images of the target to the Spike NLOS, aligning them with the missile's video images during flight. With an extended range and non-line-of-sight capabilities reaching up to 50 km from a helicopter and 32 km from the ground, this missile emerges as a formidable force multiplier in modern warfare scenarios. Dive into the future of naval technology as Boeing achieves a groundbreaking milestone with the delivery of the first Orca extra-large unmanned undersea vehicle to the U.S. Navy. This autonomous submarine represents a significant leap forward in autonomous underwater capabilities, designed to perform long-duration critical missions and ensure undersea maritime dominance even in the most challenging and contested waters. After passing rigorous acceptance tests, the Orca showcases over a decade of pioneering work in developing a fully autonomous undersea vehicle with a large payload capacity. With the ability to operate independently of a host vehicle, the Orca has undergone extensive testing, demonstrating its unique capabilities above and below the surface. This achievement not only marks a milestone in naval innovation, but also highlights the rapid progress being made in drone technology. Unlock the power of passive electronic warfare with the Sirius Compact, developed by Saab. This modular and scalable sensor network revolutionizes situational awareness through silent detection, classification, and prioritization of radar and data link emissions. Lightweight and rapidly deployable, the Sirius Compact enhances tactical operations by autonomously assimilating intelligence information without storing sensitive data. Its versatility knows no bounds, mounting seamlessly on drones, vehicles, vessels, masts, or even deployed from troop manpacks. With high-precision direction, finding, and geolocation capabilities, integrated with third-party command and control systems, the Sirius Compact is a valuable asset for quick response operations. Part of the Sirius family of innovative passive sensor systems, it provides armed forces and intelligence services worldwide with a complete synergistic capability for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Get ready to witness a new era in air defense technology with the Skyguard system in Austria, developed by Rheinmetall. The Austrian Defense Ministry's decision to contract Rheinmetall for a comprehensive modernization of its existing Skyguard air defense systems marks a significant leap forward. The Skyguard next-generation system, based on existing weapon systems owned by the Austrian Army, is undergoing a service life extension program. This modernization effort includes upgrading the existing 35mm Oerlikon twin guns and linking them to a high-performance target tracking capability and Rheinmetall's Skymaster command system. With a total of 7 tactical units, each consisting of 4 35mm guns, a sensor unit for airspace monitoring, and a command post, Austria is bolstering its air defense capabilities like never before. Prepare for an adrenaline-fueled journey into the future of human flight with the Tactical Jet Suit Flight Demonstration, brought to you by Gravity Industries. Led by founder and chief test pilot Richard Browning, along with Alex Wilson, this exhilarating display of innovation took flight from the iconic Tactical Jet Suit Flight in New York Harbor for the Royal Navy and Atlantic Future Forum. Equipped with the latest in tactical suits and helmet-steered weapon mounts, Browning and Wilson showcased the jet suit's capabilities, harnessing over 1,000 brake horsepower of jet engine power combined with natural human balance. The result? An intense spectacle often likened to a real-life Iron Man experience. This event was more than just a showcase. It was a testament to Gravity Industries' commitment to pushing the boundaries of human aviation and inspiring a generation to dare to ask, introducing the Stinger, a 4x4 light tactical vehicle developed by Plasan, engineered to excel in diverse mission profiles ranging from urban warfare to border patrol. Based on the reliable and globally recognized high-mobility multi-purpose wheeled vehicle platform, the Stinger offers unparalleled comfort and versatility. Its armored cabin, utilizing original dashboard components, provides enhanced protection up to STANAG 4569 Level 4, with the option for customized mine protection. Featuring Plaza's Kitole modular armor technology and a unique frontal weapon system, the Stinger ensures optimal performance in even the most challenging environments. With extreme maneuverability both off-road and in urban settings, this vehicle is a robust solution for military and security operations worldwide. Discover the future of air surveillance with the Patria MUSCL, a cutting-edge passive radar system designed for resilience, covert operation, and effortless deployment. This revolutionary system offers affordable area and point surveillance across a multitude of applications, from military air surveillance to drone detection and border control. Utilizing passive coherent location technology, the Patria MUSCL detects, locates, and tracks targets by exploiting external broadcasting signals, all while remaining practically invisible to adversaries. With 360-degree surveillance coverage spanning hundreds of kilometers, this system ensures continuous monitoring and protection of critical infrastructure and urban areas. Journey into the cutting-edge realm of hypersonic scramjet propulsion technology simulation, where computational fluid dynamics, CFD simulations, are revolutionizing aviation as we know it. These simulations play a pivotal role in dissecting shock patterns and interactions within scramjet, intakes, and realistic geometries, spearheaded by leading organizations like NASA and Northrop Grumman. Witness history being made with NASA's HyperX program, marking the first successful flights of a scramjet-powered airplane at hypersonic speeds. Meanwhile, Northrop Grumman pushes the boundaries further, stress-testing weapon concepts and validating digital performance models through intentional high-speed flights. As the demand for hypersonic vehicles grows, a multi-fidelity simulation method emerges to streamline simulation time and enhance propulsion systems. Dive into the future of military navigation with the Seacraft ENC-3M, a compact and intuitive system designed to revolutionize maritime operations. Whether assembled on propulsion systems or handheld, this modular navigation system offers unparalleled versatility and ease of use. Part of Seacraft's renowned range of products, including the world's most advanced diver propulsion vehicles, the ENC-3M can be effortlessly configured for exploration missions with additional brackets and light mounts. Providing a complete set of military navigation solutions, this system serves as a formidable tool in modern warfare scenarios. Welcome to the future of infantry support with the Arion Smet YGV, a state-of-the-art unmanned ground vehicle developed by Han Defense. This 2-ton 6.6 Marvel is equipped with cutting-edge technologies to enhance infantry operations, including autonomous off-road navigation, autonomous homing for communication failure scenarios, and software supporting man-on-man teaming operations. But what truly sets the Arion Smet apart is its deep neural network-based remote-controlled weapon station capable of detecting, tracking, and engaging enemy soldiers and gunfire sources with precision. Selected for foreign comparative testing by the U.S. Department of Defense, this South Korean innovation marks a historic milestone, showcasing its capabilities on the global stage.